I'm Anil Kumar, and we have two equations to solve in this particular video. We'll solve them using inverse operations. Inverse means inverse of addition is subtraction. For subtraction it is addition. Multiplication inverse is division, and division inverse is multiplication. Now these equations have variables on both the sides, right? So we'll do multiple steps to solve these equations. The first one is 4x plus 1 equals to 3x minus 5. In the first step, let us get the variable on one side. So we can take away 3x from both the sides. So in that case, we get 4x plus 1 equals to 3x minus 5. That is a given equation. If we take away 3x from both the sides, what do we get? 4x minus 3x is x, so we have x plus 1 on the left side. 3x minus 3x is 0. We are left with minus 5. Now solving means isolating the variable. So we need to find what x is. X plus 1. So inverse is minus. So we'll take away 1 from both sides now. We have minus 5, and in this step we'll take away 1 from both the sides. So on the left side, 1 minus 1 is 0. We are left with x. And on the right side, minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6. X equals to minus 6 becomes our solution, right? Now what you should do is you should check for minus 6. If I write minus 6 here, I get 4 times minus 6 plus 1. 4 times minus 6 is minus 24. Minus 24 plus 1, which is minus 23. On the right side, we get 3 times minus 6 minus 5. 3 times minus 6 is minus 18. Minus 18 minus 5 is also minus 23, right? So what we get really is that both left sides and the right side are equal. So that is what the solution does, right? So solution makes both sides equal. So for the value of x equals to minus 6, this equation is valid. That is what we can say, right? Now you can pause the video, follow these steps and solve the given equation. Here are my steps. First step is I'll prefer to take away 3x, right, as we did here. So what we have here is 2x minus 1, and here we have 3x plus 7. So in step number 1, I'm isolating x on the left side. So I'll take away 3x from both the sides, right? It's better to keep the variable on the left side. There is no hard and fast rule. You can keep it on any side you want. 2x minus 3x is minus x, right? Okay, but you already have minus 1 also here. So minus 1 minus x equals to 3x minus s. 3x is 0. You're left with 7. What do you want now? You want to get rid of minus 1. What is inverse of minus 1? Minus 1 inverse is plus 1. So you have to add 1 on both the sides. Okay, once you do that, you get minus x equals to 7 plus 1, which is 8. Now we need x, not minus x. So what should we do? We can either multiply by minus 1 or we can divide by minus 1, right? So think as if we are multiplying by minus 1 on both sides, right? So in fact, I should not write like this. I should write like this. So you could multiply or divide by minus 1. Minus x minus 1 is x. So we get x equals to minus 8. So the solution is minus 8. You can check the result, right? Is left side equal to right side for minus 8? Check it on your own, right? Thank you and all the best. Now here at this stage, you could have also done an alternate way. That is to say, you could do minus x equals to 8. You could divide both by minus 1, right? So that is even better. Minus 1 minus 1. So when you divide, you again get x equals to minus 8, right? So that was alternate way. You get the same solution. I hope you understand. Thank you and all the best.